Hello everyone, welcome to my drawing channel. I will take you on a step-by-step journey to unlock your artistic potential. I will show you some fun and exciting techniques to help you discover the joy of drawing. Before we begin our drawing lesson today, we need some basic drawing supplies. Here is a list of items that you will need. Are you ready? First, we use our pencil and lightly sketch out the basic framework of the picture we want to draw on the paper. Start by drawing the bunny's head with an oval. Draw the bunny's body by sketching a large circle underneath the head. Draw a large carrot in the front of the bunny's body at an angle. Then, add two small circles for the bunny's paws, the bunny holding a carrot with its front paws. When we draw bunny's feet, remember to draw the oval larger than the shape of the paw. Draw a small circle next to the bunny's body to present the chick's body. Sketch a straight line across the drawing to present the horizon. Use an oval to indicate the butterfly's location. Once we have our outline, we can erase the shape lightly so it is not too dark, but we still can see their positions. Then, you can begin with the detailed drawing. Add two long ovals at the ears on the top of the head, adding a face to the bunny. Adding character leaves. Adding two small triangles for chick's beak. Draw two small horizontal V shapes for the eyes. And add the wings, cheekbones, and the leg to the chick. Draw some flowers and crown-shaped grass in the foreground. Adding some bushes in the midground. Draw a long thin oval for the body of butterfly, adding two sets of wings. They are shaped like number 3. Once you're done with the detailed drawing, use a marker to trace over the sketch. You can use a black marker or colorful marker. You also can fix any mistake you made in the rough leaf sketch before you start coloring. After completing the tracing process, remember to use an eraser to remove any excess pencil markers. If you have finished, we can move on to the next step now. Adding color is a super important step in drawing. It brings your artwork to life and makes it look more realistic. Now let's get started with adding color. Pick the color you like and carefully fill them in. I will show you how I color, but feel free to create your own style and experiment. Thank you for tuning to today's class. We are done now, but I hope you all enjoyed it and learned something new. If you want to see more of my content, feel free to check my channel for other drawing classes. See you next time. Bye!